What's up, my LS crazy amigos? Your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop again. You know, if you're some more big bang for the buck product and info, I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah. All right, now we all know about the Trailblazer project. We know, and we're a couple of days away from starting this thing up. So check this out. When I removed the transmission, because we know we removed the transmission to go with a rear-wheel drive transmission, the linkage broke. Okay, it wasn't the linkage. It was the plastic piece in the linkage that holds the linkage to the shifter level, where when you go from park to reverse, neutral drive, it moves the linkage. And there's a little plastic piece in there, and it broke. And it happens because this truck is a 06. So it had several winters and summers of going back in temperature, going cold to hot, and it fatigues the plastic. So every now and then the plastic will break. So when I went to pull it off, it broke. If ever you go to your car and you go from park and you go to drive, you know, in the shifter, but yet on the indicator stays in park, chances are it's not the linkage, but it's the plastic piece in the linkage. So I went online to see how much a linkage would cost. And it got to the point where I called GM and I said, listen, how much is the linkage for a Trailblazer SS? And they were talking about over $120. Yeah, for cableless long. So in my search, I noticed there was a company called bushandfix.com. I called them up. They said bushandfix.com. I was like, yes, hello. I told them what my problem was, and they said, well, we make a kit for the Trailblazer, which fixes that plastic piece inside the linkage that hooks up to the shifter level. And I was like, well, I'm interested. Tell me about it. And so they hooked the brother up with this kit right here. It's very simple. The notch side fits into this piece like this. So it looks like that. Notch side in this. Let's install. Okay, now we're under the truck. Now, here's the linkage. To replace this thing is going to be a pain. That's why I prefer just to replace the bushing. And if you replace the bushing, you want to make sure it's all nice and cleaned off the old bushing, you see? It's the shifter lever. All right, so the shifter lever right here is in park. So what happens is this linkage hooks onto here, all right, and the bushing's in the middle, of course, but the linkage hooks onto here. So when you go from park to reverse, you hit the lever, clicks in. So now you reverse. The next is neutral. Next is drive. Next is the third gear, second gear, first gear. And that's how the transmission shifts when you move the gear shift. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the bushing. You want this piece right here to face this piece. So it's going to go in like this. Okay. All right. And you want to wiggle this piece out. The notch side is now installed. You see? All right. And pop it on. And that's it. Done. So if you're repairing the transmission, or if you go to drive your car and the shifter's just moving and the linkage isn't, chances are it's going to be that plastic bushing, and now you know you don't have to go and spend over 120 bucks on the linkage. So I hope this helps you guys out. Yeah, but I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Or should I say ceiling? Time for me to head back on off and finish completing this Trailblazer because I want to get it in. I want to get it going. Like I always say, there is no me without you, and I appreciate you. So keep the comments coming and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and when you subscribe, hit the bell and the like. If you hit that bell, what's going to happen is every time I put a video out, guess who gets notified that the video's coming out for Couple Man 66? You. And the likes and the subscription, between the three, it helps us keep on doing stuff that we're doing here, you know? Because I got tons of projects. Oh, I got tons of projects coming up. You guys are going to be surprised. There's tons. Chevelle's coming back. 69 Camaro's coming back. There's going to even be a Corvette in here. You want to stay tuned in there, all right? So as always, please, much love. Always be easy. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.